Hi dolls, welcome back to my channel. My name is Edith. I am the owner of Body Contouring Doll. In today's video, we will be talking about personal brand. I got inspired to create this video because I have been receiving a lot of DMs and questions on how should I best build my business and how do I get people to start trusting me. So if this sounds like something that you are interested in, then please keep on watching. Come to realize that people are less likely to buy if they don't know you. So if they don't trust you, then of course it's less likely that they're gonna wanna either book with you or buy whatever product you may be selling. So let's go ahead and get right straight into the video because I want this to be pretty brief. If you decide that you actually like this topic, then I can actually make a lot more of a longer content and show you a lot more examples. Okay, so let's talk about personal brand. What is personal brand? A personal brand is literally you. If people know you well, that means that your brand is strong. By the way, you guys, I am currently holding my new baby. Her name is Mia. Say hello to Mia. And the reason I'm holding her while I'm making this video is because she's literally like a baby. I have to hold her at all times and love her and cuddle her as much as possible, just like a newborn baby would need. Now, if you're thinking, okay, well, I want to have a personal brand, what do I start with and how do I know what my personal brand for my business is going to be? And like I said, personal brand is literally you. So what should you look for within you? You want to include unique things about yourself. Who are you? What are your values? What are your personal qualities? What is your field? And what is your life story? Be sure to write those down. And I want you to write them down and give yourself enough space in between each one to allow yourself to be able to answer these questions. Write them down, answer exactly what you're feeling in your heart, write that down. And of course, once you have it written down, then you want to grab whatever you wrote down and make it and rewrite it into more of an eloquent, with like eloquent words, and of course make it a lot more professional. And you want to have this in a place that you're going to continue to see at all times and remind you to whatever you post on Instagram, whatever it is that you post within your business, that this is what you're going to stick with. Stay consistent. Now, another thing that comes with personal branding is brand colors. You want to have a color palette. This doesn't mean that you're gonna have like 5 different colors that you're gonna jump from every single day. This means that you're gonna have a color palette that is going to be maybe a strong color, let's say a strong pink versus a light pink versus a medium pink versus like Barbie pink or like fuchsia, so that you not only have colors for, let's say that I'm wearing this shirt, let's say black and white are my brand colors. Well, that's 2 colors right there. So you could have black, white, gray, because remember, I'm gonna give you an example. You're gonna need your shirt one color, then the letters are gonna have to be a different color. Then you may want like something around the colors, around the letters to make the letters pop. So that is what I mean by creating your own color palette. If you would like me to give you examples on how to do this, then I can make somewhat of a longer video. If you look up on YouTube how to have a personal brand within Instagram, or how can I create a personal brand within Instagram, they're gonna give you a lot of information and a lot of ideas. I can however show you what I do with my personal content. Not only my personal content of course, but my business content. Let me give you a few more ideas though, what you should have as a personal brand. As a personal brand, you should have your color palette. You should have maybe 3 to 5 different fonts that you use consistently within your Instagram, or not only within just your Instagram, but within the packaging on all your products. You want to have a logo, a consistent logo. You don't want to be switching logos every single month because you're not liking the feel. Well, at the beginning, as your business grows, you're gonna develop new different logos as you go, of course, because you're growing, so your business is growing, so you want to continue to always have a professional logo that goes with your brand. But of course, it's more than likely that although you're developing a logo, it's more than likely going to be like almost the same. You don't want to confuse your followers or your current clientele, your loyal clients. You want to make sure that they always know that it's you. You want to have consistent values at all times. Along with your values goes your catchphrase. You always want to have a catchphrase that you can always add in case you can't think of what to say. You have your catchphrase that's gonna stay consistent, and that should stay consistent. One thing to keep in mind when it comes to your color palette is that you wanna follow consistent colors. That doesn't mean that just because my color is pink, that fuchsia is included. So you want to make sure that you have those color codes that come along with every single color. And if you'd like me to teach you how to do that, I can definitely make a video over personal branding using certain apps. Keep in mind that you want to remind people what your mission is within your personal brand. You want people to trust you, and if you don't have a business mission, then people may not resonate as much with you. Remind other people what makes you different from your competitors. In my past videos, I have talked about how you shouldn't go and just copy and paste what someone else is doing, or just plainly like copy everything or a certain phrasing that the other person is doing, because at the end of the day, you have to stand out and remind people that you are different. Like, why should I pay $100 with you when I could have just paid $50 with the person down the road from me? Keep reminding people why they should continue to come to you. Another thing is, it's important to become the face of your brand. Yeah, you can pay models, but it is people, whenever the people see you, it is more than likely that they're gonna want to pay for whatever product or service that you are offering because they feel like they know you. It's important that people trust you. There's not going to be anyone out there that's just going to be like sending you free money or giving you money for no reason at all. They have to be able to trust you. Now, let's talk about why personal branding is important. Well, one, you won't have to search for clients anymore. When you have a personal brand, your own clients, as of like, let's say you already have a clientele list, those clients are going to represent you, and that's how other clients will find you. Because if you're consistent with your brand and your color brand and whatever other thing that you use for your brand, people are more than likely going to represent those colors. They're going to wear those colors. They're going to wear whatever shirt you give them. They're going to share you, and that's how other people are going to find you. You're no longer going to have to be searching for clients. They're going to search for you. Two, like I said earlier, people are going to recommend you to other people. Third reason why is you can charge high prices and people are willing to pay because they trust you. Now, I'm not saying that you should take advantage of people either, but it is more than likely that you will actually get paid what you are worth if you have a personal brand. Someone is able to resonate with what you have to say and what your values are, versus if they have no idea who you are, they have no idea who you stand for. I saw a TikTok the other day, actually, perfect example of someone driving by Buc-ee's. Well, I don't know if this is a thing anywhere else in the world, but people here in Texas, we love Buc-ee's. There's not a road trip that we don't go on that we don't stop at Buc-ee's. Well, on her TikTok, she shows herself basically driving by, she's recording, and she's talking about how she put the sound, she used the sound that basically says, ooh, it's ghetto here, this is ghetto, we're not going here, we're leaving, this is ghetto. And along with the sound, she captioned the video talking about how Buc-ee's gives one of the politicians $500 million or gave to them for their campaign, and because that specific person does not resonate with what this company is doing, then she is no longer going to support that company. That is a perfect example. Now, you know, we're going to use it to our advantage and ensure that we're not making our clients run away from us with whatever it is that we're doing. We are going to use personal branding to our advantage and have clients trust us and love our services with using our story to have us set us apart and have them resonate with us, and that will make them be willing to spend a lot more money with your company. The fourth reason why you should use personal branding is because you can expand your business so much more, and that just means that you can become a trainer, you can have online courses, you can create franchises, whatever it may be. Use your story to your advantage, you guys. What else do I have to say?
I like how you're petting your dog like Dr. Evil on fucking Austin Powers. Like, my precious.
Alrighty guys, so that is everything that I have to say today. Like I said, please let me know in the comments if you'd like me to make a longer video actually showing you guys examples on how to brand your business, or ideas on how to better brand your business, or maybe apps that I use. Please let me know. I didn't want to make this video super long because I don't want to bore you, but if you need the help, then I'm willing to make the video as long as it needs to be. Don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe to the channel for more content. Give me content ideas in the comment section, you guys. It is greatly appreciated. Don't forget to go follow us on our social medias. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in the next video. Bye. Bye.